Tremaine was talking earlier about the autopsy reports that we now have. We have both. We have the official report from the county medical examiner saying it's homicide. Then you have Michael Baden, who was hired by the family to conduct a private autopsy. And in that private autopsy, he says very clearly that George Floyd was killed on the scene. He believes he died right before our eyes on that video, and that it was the pressure on his neck and the pressure on the rest of his body by the other two officers who were holding down his lower body and pressing his lungs into that pavement. What's your reaction to these developments in the case today?
So both autopsy reports indicate that the cause of death was homicide. Now here, that's a medical term. It means that Mr. Floyd didn't die of natural causes, that his death was caused by another human being. It doesn't mean homicide in a criminal sense. That's what the jury will determine. The interesting thing about the family report is that it indicates that not only did Mr. Floyd die because of compression to his neck, but also because of compression to his back and legs, which prevented blood and oxygen from getting to his brain and heart. And so that raises the question of why the other officers have not been charged, since they were the ones who were also compressing his body. And if in fact they are charged, will they also be charged with murder? The other interesting thing about these reports is that the official report suggests that there were other underlying health conditions which caused or contributed to Mr. Floyd's death, whereas the family's report says that Mr. Floyd died only because of the officer's conduct.